Are you or your loved ones managing diabetes and looking for healthier food options? In this video, we'll introduce you to 7 types of rice that are not only diabetic friendly but also help regulate blood sugar levels while providing essential nutrition. Discover how these rice varieties can become a part of your balanced diet and support your journey to better health. Stay tuned for expert insights and practical tips. 1. Brown rice. Brown rice is considered one of the best dietary options for individuals with diabetes. Unlike white rice, brown rice retains its bran layer, making it a rich source of dietary fiber. This high fiber content plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Additionally, brown rice has a lower glycemic index compared to white rice. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested more slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes brown rice an excellent choice for maintaining stable glucose levels throughout the day. Incorporating brown rice into meals can not only help with blood sugar control but also contribute to overall health by providing essential nutrients like magnesium, selenium, and B vitamins. For those managing diabetes, substituting white rice with brown rice is a simple yet effective step toward better glycemic control and improved long-term health outcomes. 2. Black rice. Black rice, often referred to as forbidden rice, due to its historical association with royalty in ancient China, is gaining global recognition for its exceptional health benefits. This unique grain not only stands out for its striking dark hue but also for its rich nutritional profile. One of the key distinctions of black rice is its high content of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These powerful compounds, responsible for the grain's deep purple-black color, are known to combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that anthocyanins may also contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. In addition to its antioxidant properties, black rice is a valuable source of essential vitamins and minerals. It contains significant amounts of iron, zinc, and vitamin E, which are crucial for maintaining overall health. Furthermore, black rice has a low glycemic index, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to manage blood sugar levels effectively. This characteristic makes it particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Beyond its health benefits, black rice offers a unique, nutty flavor and chewy texture that can elevate a variety of dishes. Whether used in salads, desserts, or as a substitute for white or brown rice, it adds both nutritional value and visual appeal to meals. As awareness grows about the importance of nutrient-dense foods, black rice is emerging as a staple in the diets of health-conscious individuals worldwide. Its combination of taste, versatility, and health-promoting properties makes it a grain worth incorporating into everyday meals. With its rich history and impressive benefits, black rice is more than just a culinary delight, it's a superfood that supports a healthier lifestyle. 3. Red rice. Red rice, much like brown rice, is a whole grain variety that has gained recognition for its impressive nutritional profile. Packed with essential nutrients such as fiber, iron, magnesium, manganese, and B vitamins, red rice is not only a wholesome dietary choice but also offers specific health benefits. One of the standout advantages of red rice is its ability to help stabilize blood sugar levels. Unlike white rice, which can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar due to its high glycemic index, red rice releases energy more slowly, making it an excellent option for individuals managing diabetes. This slow-release property is largely attributed to its high fiber content, which aids in regulating glucose absorption in the bloodstream. In addition to its benefits for blood sugar control, red rice supports digestive health. The fiber present in this grain promotes healthy bowel movements and fosters a balanced gut microbiome, contributing to overall well-being. Furthermore, the presence of manganese and magnesium enhances bone health and aids in metabolic processes, while iron helps combat fatigue by improving oxygen transport in the body. For those looking to transition to healthier eating habits, red rice serves as a nutritious substitute for white rice. Its nutty flavor and chewy texture make it a versatile ingredient that pairs well with a variety of dishes, from salads to stir-fries. In conclusion, red rice is not only a flavorful addition to meals but also a powerhouse of nutrients that support better health. Its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels and improve digestion makes it particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those seeking a healthier lifestyle. By incorporating red rice into your diet, you can enjoy both its taste and its numerous health advantages. 4. Basmati rice. Basmati rice, renowned for its unique aroma and long, slender grains, holds a significant place in global cuisine, particularly in Indian culinary traditions. This variety of rice is not only celebrated for its distinctive flavor but also for its nutritional benefits, especially when it comes to the brown basmati variant. One of the key features of basmati rice is its low glycemic index, GI, which makes it an excellent choice for individuals looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Brown basmati rice, in particular, is a rich source of slow-digesting carbohydrates, providing sustained energy and improving satiety. Its complex carbohydrate profile helps reduce rapid spikes in blood glucose, making it suitable for those managing diabetes or seeking a balanced diet. In addition to its health benefits, basmati rice is prized for its versatility in cooking. Its fragrant aroma and light texture make it an ideal companion for a variety of dishes, from savory biryanis to simple steamed preparations. The subtle nutty flavor of basmati enhances the taste of accompanying ingredients, creating a harmonious culinary experience. As global awareness of healthy eating grows, basmati rice continues to gain popularity as a nutritious alternative to regular white rice. Its combination of health benefits and culinary appeal ensures its place as a staple in kitchens worldwide. 5. Black sticky rice. Black sticky rice, also known as gao nep cam in Vietnamese, is a unique variety of rice that stands out due to its deep, dark hue. This striking color is not just for visual appeal, it indicates the presence of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that contribute to various health benefits. One of the key nutritional advantages of black sticky rice is its high fiber content. This makes it a valuable addition to a balanced diet, as fiber plays a crucial role in supporting digestive health and promoting feelings of fullness. Additionally, black sticky rice has a low glycemic index, GI, meaning it causes a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels compared to high GI foods. This property makes it a suitable option for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. However, while black sticky rice offers numerous benefits, moderation is essential. Despite its low glycemic index, it is still a carbohydrate-rich food containing significant amounts of starch. Overconsumption may lead to an excess intake of calories and carbohydrates, which could counteract its potential health benefits. Incorporating black sticky rice into meals can be both nutritious and versatile. It can be used in savory dishes, desserts, or even as a base for salads. When consumed in appropriate portions, it serves as a wholesome choice for those seeking a nutrient-dense alternative to regular white rice. In conclusion, black sticky rice is more than just an exotic grain, it is a functional food that combines rich flavor with remarkable health benefits. By consuming it in moderation, individuals can enjoy its nutritional value while supporting overall well-being. 6. Japanese red rice. Japanese red rice, a staple gaining attention for its health benefits, is not only a flavorful addition to meals but also a nutritional powerhouse. Known for its vibrant reddish hue, this rice variety offers a range of advantages that contribute to overall well-being. One of the standout features of Japanese red rice is its high fiber content. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to manage blood sugar levels effectively. The fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to maintain steady glucose levels. This characteristic is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to prevent blood sugar spikes. In addition to fiber, Japanese red rice is rich in essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting various bodily functions, from boosting immunity to enhancing energy metabolism. The rice is also packed with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Another significant benefit of Japanese red rice is its positive impact on heart health. Regular consumption has been linked to improved cardiovascular function, thanks to its ability to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels. This, in turn, reduces the risk of heart disease, making it a heart-friendly choice for daily diets. With its combination of taste and health benefits, Japanese red rice is becoming a preferred option for those seeking a balanced and nutritious diet. Whether paired with vegetables, proteins, or enjoyed on its own, this rice variety serves as a versatile and wholesome ingredient. In conclusion, Japanese red rice stands out not only for its unique flavor but also for its impressive health-promoting properties. By incorporating it into your meals, you can enjoy its benefits while taking a step toward a healthier lifestyle. 7. Barley rice. Barley rice, though not a traditional type of rice, has emerged as a nutritious and beneficial option for individuals managing diabetes. This grain, derived from barley, offers a variety of health advantages that make it a compelling alternative to conventional rice. One of the key benefits of barley rice is its low glycemic index. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This makes barley rice particularly suitable for those aiming to maintain stable blood glucose levels. In addition to its glycemic benefits, barley rice is rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber. Beta-glucan has been extensively studied for its positive impact on heart health. It helps reduce cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids in the digestive system and promoting their excretion. Furthermore, this fiber plays a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity and regulating blood sugar levels, which is essential for diabetes management. Barley rice is also packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Its high fiber content contributes to better digestion, while its nutrient density helps promote satiety, making it an excellent choice for weight management. For individuals looking to diversify their diet while prioritizing health, barley rice is a versatile ingredient that can be used in various recipes. It can be prepared as a side dish, added to soups, or even used as a base for salads. In conclusion, barley rice serves as a nutritious and diabetes-friendly alternative to traditional rice. Its low glycemic index, high beta-glucan content, and wealth of nutrients make it an excellent addition to a balanced diet. For those seeking to improve heart health and maintain stable blood sugar levels, incorporating barley rice into meals can be a simple yet effective step toward better well-being. Thank you for watching and learning about these 7 types of rice that are not only nutritious but also help manage blood sugar levels effectively. We hope this information supports your journey toward better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And for more valuable tips and insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Take care and see you in the next video.